In the previous video, we are successfully able to redirect our user on their intended page. For example, if the user simple user is logged in, so he is able to access here only his user dashboard, right? Otherwise he'll redirect it back on the welcome page, right? So now if supervisor comes, and then he can visit his supervisor page, not the other user page. If administrator come, he can only visit the administrator page. So this is not good, right? Administrator can visit the supervisor dashboard or visit the user dashboard. So how we can implement this functionality, right? So let's go here and let's close this one. Let me show you that what I'm talking about. If I want to visit the user/dashboard and my role is admin, right? If I hit enter, so I'm not able to access this one, which is not good, right? So how we can do this? So in the user middleware, we need to tell that if the role is equal to user or, right, or auth user, right, and then the role would be admin, right? If the role would be simple user or this would be the admin, so then we can access this role. So let me check that what's the issue. Oh, I missed those equal sign. Okay, so now let's get back and check that user/dashboard, and yes, now our role is admin, but still we are able to access this user dashboard. If I choose this admin/dashboard, so now I'm able to access this admin dashboard. But if I visit this supervisor dashboard, so still I'm redirecting back, right? So how we can implement this for the supervisor? So simply go to the supervisor role and do this same. Here if the role is auth user, right, and then the role would be the admin, so then still he can access those route. So let's go here, supervisor sorry. Okay, so still now admin is able to access the supervisor route, user route, and admin his own route, right? But in this case, if I go back and open any of the user like supervisor, right? So let's go here and refresh it. Boom, it's redirected back, right? So if I want to say that supervisor/dashboard, supervisor can access this. So if you want to now do this, that supervisor have a little bit superior role, so supervisor can access the user role, only user role, not the admin role. So how you can do this? So it's very simple. Go back and go to the user middleware, this one, and simply say that copy this. I missed this one symbol, but still it's working. That's the, you can say that huge security problem in the Windows, right? So if we are on the local machine, it's doing this, but when we will deploy this on the server, so this wouldn't work, because Linux, most of the time server have the Linux system or Ubuntu, so these are more secure, right? So they will not allow these case sensitivity or these mistakes. Okay, so try to make sure these things that these are correct. Okay, and then you can say that supervisor something like this, or I'll advise you to do it here like let me cut this out. After this user role, so it will make sense that first you are authenticating the user, and then supervisor, and then super role, right? Okay, let's get refresh. Supervisor can access his dashboard, and if I visit the user/dashboard, and yes, he can visit the still user dashboard. Okay, now if I visit the admin dashboard, so he cannot be able to access the admin dashboard. Let's get refresh, and yes, he is redirected back on his dashboard, right? So now we are able to redirect those users on their page, right? So now I want to redirect them on their dashboard, right, not on this welcome page. how I can do this, right? It's very simple. So let's go back, and here if the role isn't there, so I can do it here, that to redirect this on the role of what, because we have multiple role. So I'll probably tell you in the next video with the proper example that how we need to validate this with the best case. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.